Welcome to Diva Bali Driver. Today we will visit Montigo Resorts Seminyak. Montigo Resorts Seminyak is among the best hotels in Seminyak, which offers you a lifestyle resort concept in Bali. Specially designed for families, friends and those who matter most to you, whilst offering exquisite amenities and services in the heart of the island's most cosmopolitan district. Now let's see what Montigo Resorts Seminyak offers you when you stay here. Deluxe and Premier Rooms. Their deluxe and premier rooms are on par with the best Seminyak beach hotels, which offers an expansive, yet homely living space topped with a spectacular view of the family pool. Featuring contemporary designs with stylish furnishings, the rooms are designed with well-appointed bathrooms providing luxury bath amenities and outdoor living space with a cozy terrace, balcony and garden suites. Nestled on the second floor of the garden suites, their balcony suites are thoughtfully designed with balconies boasting a versatile lounge space, bedroom, oversized bathroom and swivel LED TV. Their suites, which are among the best offered by five-star hotels in Seminyak, comes replete with breathtaking views of the resort from Montigo's prime vantage point, accompanied by luxurious amenities and services that promise a delightful stay with them. Garden Pool Suites. For the discerning travelers, their expansive and impeccable garden pool suites feature a bedroom with en-suite oversized bathroom and a balcony. Relax on a plush king-sized bed while watching your favorite programs from their multilingual cable channels LED TV. To enhance your holiday experience in one of the best Bali resorts in Seminyak, pamper yourself in their Montigo Spa, which is conveniently located beside the suite. The perfect choice for honeymooners looking for a tranquil time of intimacy. Two-bedroom suite. Overlooking the garden pool and lawn, their two-bedroom suite features plush feather beds, one room with king whilst the other has two single beds and an oversized bathroom with bathtub and shower. Distinguished by a spacious indoor living space for lounging and eating, this room is ideal for friends or families who enjoy privacy yet wish to experience communal living and meet new faces at one of the most premier Seminyak family resorts. Check the link below to check about this resort and don't forget to share and like this video.